Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to recondition a chainsaw bar. I'm going to show you this here. It's got an edge on it right here. You can see where it's the discoloration, where it's been kind of pushed, shoved into the wood a lot. This is a laminated bar. You can see by the little rivets on it. These are more prone to getting out of shape, and what happens is the edge of the bar, one side of the bar, this edge here, is higher than the other. So what it'll do, it'll make your bar, when you're cutting wood, it'll make you go down and cut in a half moon circle, because your chain is going to lock in because there's so much play in here, because one side is higher than the other. So I'm going to show you how we can do this to save a bar instead of having to buy a new one. Get my camera turned around here. I know everybody doesn't have this machine here, but I'll show you the process of what we have to do here. And we'll fire a machine up here. If you can see this, that plate is absolutely flat. I don't know if you can see this here. This side of the bar has been sanded, and you can see just pieces of this side here. So it shows you that this bar is not accurately level for the chain to ride in. So what we'd have to do, we have to grind it until we get the whole surface all the way up to the end of the bar to be completely even on both sides. So that's what we're going to do now. And if you can see this, I'm going to show you the shiny side. Now the bar is completely even all the way down to the end here. You got to be careful because there's some little fine splinter burrs on the side here from the edge. So I've got another process of taking that off. So I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this over, and we're going to go do the other side. And go to the other side over here and show you how we're going to get rid of the little edges here that causes little splinters. And let me tell you, they hurt. They get in your finger, so you got to be careful. I should be wearing gloves. Now your bar is all completely smooth, no edges, nothing on the side. So now we're ready for paint. This is a steel bar. It's a 050 gauge, 18 inch. And now you can use this bar again. You can do this about 3 to 4 times, depending on how much you have to grind off. But it's perfectly level. The chain's going to ride level. And so there you go. And I'm going to check. I'll have a picture of it after I finish the bar so you can see what it looks like. But this is how you can recondition a bar that's still good, even though it's got some war spots in it. You can take all that out and make the chain cut straight like it's supposed to, instead of cutting in a half moon circles right or left. So there you go. And we're going to end this video on this right now. And like I said, I'll have a picture of it when I finish the bar.